quick and easy little repair here. I have a Husqvarna Model H U700F, and the mower works fine. Got your perfect little Honda motor on it, but the self-propelled feature doesn't work. And if you look here, I'll bring it up closer so you guys can see. As you can see, the belt's fine. It's attached properly. But even when you turn it, nothing's happening. So we take the wheel off, you notice the sprocket, it's gone. It's all chewed up. That should be sprocket teeth all the way to the edge. Same with this one. So both are shot. They're easy repair. They're about $40 for a pair. And if you want to test it, you'll notice it doesn't seem to be working. But this has a one-way clutch in it. See, you'll see now it's engaged. Go that way, it doesn't. You can freewheel the wheels around. But once the mower starts turning, engaging, it engages. Doesn't engage that way, just this way. That's just the way it works. So pretty easy repair. Throw a couple new wheels on it and you're all set. Hope you liked that little video. Hope it helped. Pretty simple repair. And if you like any more, please like and subscribe to our channel. And we'll catch you next time we need to fix something.